here, guys. So I just got a new toy that is Athlon Metron. So this is my toy, okay? Here we go. This is my toy, and we can transform into if you have an Athlon Metron like this, watch until the end of the video so you can know how to transform it. So there's little this, you push it down, that will be down too, okay? And you put this together. Okay, like this. You put the hand like this, and this to the other. So you push it like this. What will that? Okay, let's put it back. Back. Like this and this, so I can burn more quickly. Pull it up, the head goes up. So if you want to know how to I buy it a rental. My daddy buy me for me, and this is the background. This is the real one, but it doesn't come with the hammer. So this is my toy. It looks pretty big, but it's also very strong. When I try to arrow it, it can't broke to pieces. Here's a trick. Use like this, and then this, and then spin like a tornado smash. So guys, before I continue this, I also learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube, okay? If you're watching this, you have to watch till the end. I will show you how to do the Rubik's Cube, okay? Okay, this is, please like and subscribe until 100 million subscribers. This is my toy, so because that's the wheel from the train. This is let me try to do this. I will mix this up, so you don't wanna wait to the other video. So I'm gonna mess this up. Mess this Rubik. I'm gonna do the blue, okay? Like this. Okay. Please like and subscribe to 1 million subscribers, okay guys?